everyone, I so appreciate you stopping in today to see what I am up to. I have my Walmart beauty box and I have my second Walmart beauty box. Oreo is going to get into trouble. She is like all over everything. Oreo. Go lay down. Good girl. So, before I unbox these, I do get both boxes. I know there used to be variations. One was for a younger age group. One was for like over 40. I don't believe that's the case any longer. In my description box, I leave a direct link for Walmart. This way you can just click and go to the Walmart beauty box if you're not already signed up, and then just sign up, do a profile, all that good stuff. These boxes used to be free with $5 shipping. Now I think it's $7.99 a box, but that's all you pay. You get this as a seasonal box, so you get 4 boxes a year. You get about 5 products. I don't know what she is sniffing around everything today. Go, come on, go. So these are both the boxes. This one is heavier than this one, so let's do this one first. I enjoy getting these, and I have been getting these since they started them. Long time. And I don't know if I can hold this up properly, little before anything falls out. Little sneak peek there. I like that you get a little card, and then this is like the possibility of the 5 items that you could get in your box. So I don't mind that whatsoever. First thing, I could always use these. Now I have tons of these, but that's okay. So this is from Sieste Moi. It's me. Gentle makeup remover, cleansing wipes. Always happy to have these. This is going to be full size. Full size is $10. 30 wipes. Yep, that's what these are. So this is nice. I like keeping stuff like this out and about if I swatch, but I do have a pack, but I will use them. I think I have had samples from them before, and they were fine, but you could have gotten... You could have received, I shouldn't say gotten, that's like a Philly thing for me. The cleansing wipes or a mask. I'm glad I got the cleansing wipes and not the mask, but they were the full-size items that you could have received in one of your boxes or in your box. Let's just see what the next item is. Burt's Bees, great brand, and this is the facial cleanser for sensitive skin. This is that full size? No, this is a sample. Full size is $8.34 for 6 ounces. This is just 1 ounce. Burt's Bees Sensitive Skin Facial Cleanser. Love Burt's Bees. I think I have like a lip balm. I have some, I think I have a different cleanser. I don't remember it looking like that, but maybe the full size looks different. Love Burt's Bees. We have a Real Techniques sponge. I'm sure this is full size. And this is $4.88. Miracle Complexion Sponge. And it does have, you know, well, it shows you better on the back. An angle. Okay. I'm not angry at that stuff at all. I love Dove. And this is an exfoliating body polish. Full size is $5.94. And this is a sample. This is 2 ounces. And full size would be 10 ounces. I don't know. That's got a seal on it, probably. Can't see it if it does. Let me see. I do not have strength. Oh, there we go. My hands are so weak. I had carpal tunnel years ago. That's what it looks like. And had it repaired on both hands. And after that, my hands have just been so weak. Getting worse as I age, but oh, that smells really good. Exfoliating body polish. And then I have 2 of these right here from Neutrogena. These are samples. This is the Stubborn Blackheads Daily Serum. Full size is $11.97, and they're samples. Maybe they gave us 2 to try in this little blister pack, and you can see what the full size looks like. Neutrogena is a phenomenal brand to get, so I'm not unhappy with this at all for the price. Love it. Very happy with that box. Let's see what's in box number 2. I'm not going to play around with that. So now we have box number 2. And I know that my profiles are different for both of these, age bracket wise. Ooh, that's nice. So this is a little bit different. not exactly the same. Do we have a card? Yeah, same. It's going to be the same card with the same products, except here I did get, which is okay. I did get the mask from Sieste Moi, $10 value. Facial scrub mask. I'm telling you, Oreo is looking for trouble. Now she's going to play in the trash. Oh, I'm telling you, that's what this looks like. You know, if I don't decide to keep that, I'll give that away. That's, you know, no worries there. See, this kind of stuff I do not like in any box. Liquid IV, and this is the non-GMO electrolyte drink mix, passion fruit. I mean, you know, it's fine. I just don't use stuff like that at all. So the duplicates in here are the Burt's Bees Sensitive Skin Facial Cleanser, which I'm fine with. And then the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. And this is pomegranate seed and shea butter. Is the other one the same? Pomegranate seed and shea butter. Yes, they're identical. And then the Real Techniques sponge is slightly different. Ouch. Miracle Complexion Sponge. Sugar Crush is the name of this one. So, a couple different items, not many. Everything else is pretty much identical, which, once again, I'm okay with. You know, there are going to be duplicates. I mean, Target was the same way. Sometimes you can get boxes back when they first started. If you got more than one box, sometimes, you know, you would see the same product in like 2 of the boxes. I like the way Target does it now. I haven't noticed Target had anything new out. I'll have to check that. So these are my Walmart beauty boxes. Tell me what you thought of these boxes. Like I said, I've been getting this since they started them. I think almost, if not 5 years ago, and I've only been on YouTube for 3 years. I would always get this just because I thought it was a good box to get and to try some samples. And back then, I'm not sure if we got full-size products in the boxes, but now I think they're trying to like step it up a little bit and make the boxes a little bit better. And for, I think it is $7.99. I'm not positive, but I will list that in my description box. I'm almost positive that's what it cost. Happy with that. I wouldn't want this monthly because I already get so many samples. But I wouldn't be unhappy if it was monthly either, I don't think. Just because these are more like drugstore brands, Walmart brands. You could find a lot of the stuff in Target. Places where I think and I'm not going to say everybody, but majority, I think, would shop in Target, Walmart before I would go to an Ulta for some of this stuff. Like if I'm already in Target and I need wipes, I'm going to go over to where they are and just get them. I'm not going to make a special trip somewhere or order them. So I tend to think that if we shop in stores like Target and Walmart, if we need a beauty product, we're just going to pick it up. Obviously, depending on price, but I think their prices are usually pretty fair. So let me know if you get this box, and if not, sign up and get it. I think, like I said, a seasonal box, you really can't go wrong. I think almost all of us can afford that. Like once a quarter, $8, you just, you know, put some money away each month, and so that you can get it if it's a budgetary thing. But I think these boxes just get better and better and better. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you all have a great day. And I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.